Trip essentials. Essential items for your trip. This series is for adventurous travelers who take their car or van to explore the world, near and not so near. We'll cover must-have items, the useful but often overlooked essentials and safety gear to ensure a smooth and enjoyable journey. This is part 1. In the life of a motorist, there are 3 things that can go flat: small animals, batteries and tires. In this video we'll leave the animals where they are and talk about the battery and the tire. And voila, here it is. A compact and affordable all-in-one solution. A jump starter and air compressor in one package. This, well, let's call it an emergency tool, provides peace of mind and can, of course, also be used to assist others in need. The air compressor is suitable for inflating tires of normal cars or small vans up to 3.5 bars. Keep in mind that it may not be powerful enough for larger vehicles. Consider carrying a dedicated compressor for big vans, where the tire pressure exceeds 3.5 bars. But for most users, this compact option will suffice. And even a bigger tire will be less flat with 3 bars in it, and it might just be enough to get you into safety. I really like it that you can preset the tire pressure, clamp on the hose to the tire valve and get yourselves into safety behind the barrier or out of the rain. The compressor will automatically shut off as soon as the preset pressure is reached. It's also a small power bank, so it can charge your phone. And it has a small flashlight on the back that also turns into a warning strobe or beacon. And you can put it on the roof of your car to warn oncoming traffic or let people know where you are. A dead battery is a common issue that can occur if you leave your lights on or if your battery is old, especially in colder weather. It can be frustrating when this happens at home, but it can become a serious problem when you're stranded in a remote location. I found a small downside is that the buttons are black on a black background. This makes them hard to see, especially in low light conditions. Otherwise, I must admit I am really impressed with the tool. and I'm sure you will too. Thank you for watching, and I will see you soon.